Hi everyone, today July 11 and I want only explain you about justice system in the Philippines. About our situation with Korean banana owner or manager, and maybe you know he attacked us in the walking street. We have video evidence, we have witness confirmed in the police station, and continue we go into the court again 29 because April 17 Korea not go to the court again, and 29 May Korean also not go to court, so absent, and court ordered to arrest of warrant. They say to us, it's okay, it's confirmed, because Korean not go to the court, we have evidence, we have witness, so they want to arrest him. Okay, we're waiting maybe 2 weeks. Don't have any confirmation, don't have message from the court. I go to the court and asking about this case. In the court say to me, your case sent again to prosecutor office. Return to prosecutor office for additional consideration. I really surprised because already all confirmed, we have witness. Already two times we've been in the court. Okay, just I need to wait what prosecutor decide about this. After maybe 1 week, not 2 months. You remember I wait from prosecutor 2 months. 2 months because they said, oh, so many work, 2 months need to this. But after 1 week only, we received a letter stating what prosecutor had made decision. Leon, it's me, himself broke camera. Korean did not touch him, did not touch me. So nothing happened, just only because Korean have 2 witnesses, Filipino witnesses, but we have also witness, we have video, and also our witness confirmed in police station, because our witness go together with us to police station. So case is closed. You can see in the screen document. So also we have evidence how about Korean witness, because Korean witness liar, because we have video confirmed, because I take video even in police station, but no one who listen us. We just decide from the Korean witness. Even they don't know Korean address, even they don't know his passport, maybe he don't have visa. I don't know. So you already understand about Philippine justice, about our situation. You maybe understand, it's money. Money talk. Korean have money, he have business, even illegal business, he just pay, and normal people cannot win Of course, he so much money pay, you know. But my camera still broken. Shira buy camera, about 30,000 peso, you know, it's expensive camera. It's not, it's big money for Filipino. Of course, Shira stressed, even she don't want in the video. That's why we're not in the video last time. Now Korean aggressor. Of course, he sold banana bar. He have another bar. Sold also don't have. And he have Madonna Club. He co-owner of the Madonna Club. So it's Madonna Club in near banana bar. I see him in, he always in Madonna, he not inside. Sometimes he sit in the restaurant in front of Madonna Club. I seen him. What you think, guys? What I need to do? Because you know, fight for justice, It's not my country. I am tourist only. Korean also maybe have tourist visa, I don't know, but he work, he have business. I don't know about him. They don't want to know. So what do you think? Continue for justice, or just already for Korean have lesson? Because you already know any blogger can walk in street for safety. Because another Korean also know it's not allowed to stop people and not to be aggressive, not need, because it's money. They know. That's why it's I am really sad, you know. I not expected. I remember Banana Girl sent me message. You not find justice in the Philippines because my boss, no, it's mean Korean, very strong. No, I mean strong with money. Yes, he's strong with money. He of course lost money for this case, because if a case will open, he will deport it, you know. It's 2 criminal cases. That's why he pay money. So you already know. Please write comments about this situation. You already know. So many I write here, but I put in the description of a video. Who don't understand my English, please open description of this video. Also in description of this video I will put links about old video. Also in a playlist, playlist about this. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Sorry about this sad video, but it's life in the Philippines.